Listening, fill in the blanks.
We are all aware of the fact that forests are an essential part of our livelihood. Forests are a diverse ecosystem on Earth that includes trees, shrubs, grasses, and other plants. Trees and plants make up a large portion of the forest. Forests are essential not only for human beings but also for all animals. But we rarely understand the depth of its importance for our survival.
A forest is an area of land where various plants and animals grow naturally due to various climatic conditions. Depending on the unique characteristics, there are various types of forests like mangrove forests, tropical rainforests, etc. Tropical evergreen forests grow in areas where rainfall exceeds 150 centimeters.
Depending on the various climatic conditions, the forests exist in various forms like deciduous forests, tropical evergreen forests, etc., but they all play a major role in maintaining the ecosystem. With the increasing demands and needs of human beings, the forests are being cut down, hence leading to various hazards to the environment.
Deforestation leads to serious ecological consequences. Wildlife species that live on trees lose their homes. They search for other habitats where they can live or they perish. Trees are also a source of food for man and many herbivorous wildlife species of the forests. By cutting down trees, this source of food is destroyed. Forest products are also a source of livelihood for people who live near forests. When forests are cleared out, these communities suffer. Deforestation also disturbs the hydrological cycle and climatic patterns. These wild creatures live, feed, mate, and raise families in the forest. There are large carnivorous animals like tigers, lions, and leopards. There are other carnivorous mammals like hyenas, foxes, and jackals, and birds like vultures, hawks, and eagles that feed on carcasses in forests. Then, there are herbivorous creatures like the deer and elephant that depend on the trees and vegetation for their food. The herbivores also become food for the carnivores.
There are large animals like the elephant, rhinoceros and tiger, and smaller ones like the fox, jackal and antelope that live in forests. There are also a variety of birds that can be found in forests which may be endemic or native, or migratory ones that have flown in from distant lands. For instance, birds fly into India to save themselves the bitter Siberian winter. There are many varieties of snakes, butterflies and worms that also live in forests. All these wildlife species depend on the forests for their food.
Some people would say that Johnny is not a hero because he killed Bob with the switchblade. Johnny could have went by Bob and pushed him off and run, but instead, Johnny kills Bob and decides to run with Pony. That is hit and run, but it would have been better if he had told the cops that he had killed a sock named Bob. That is why Johnny is not innocent.
A hero is someone who saved the life of one or many people by risking their own life. Johnny is one of those people. Johnny is a person who is very shy until he starts standing up for himself and does things he never thought he would do. Johnny is the hero because he didn't just save the life of one but of multiple people. He would do anything for his buddies, and he listens and comprehends people. That is a real hero. An important example of why Johnny is a hero is because while Ponyboy was saving the children in the church, Johnny went to join him and he tried to help the kids too, but that's not all that happened when they were saving kids from the fire. He also saved Ponyboy by pushing him out of the church to save him from being crushed by the church's falling wood. One of their most popular meals that they were known for enjoying was a rich cuisine based primarily on rice. Rice is what formed the link between the Gullah people and the people of Sierra Leone. Around the 1700s, the American colonists in Georgia and South Carolina discovered that rice would grow well in the semi-tropical country bordering their coastline, which was known to be very moist.
Like, share, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further updates.